do you want to know that who have liked you on Instagram? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to the search section and click on search bar, and then here search for the exact username of that person, and then go to account section, and then here if you didn't see the account of that person, it says that accounts not found. Here's a doubt go about that maybe he have blocked you, but you cannot make sure about that because maybe he have deactivated or deleted his Instagram account. So how to make it show? For to make it show, just simply close your Instagram and open up any of the internet browser which you want. I'm just opening up the Chrome, and then once you open your internet browser, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and click on New Incognito tab. And then just simply tap on the search bar, and then here search for instagram.com/ and the exact username of that person. Make sure you have typed the exact username of that person and then search for it. So then here make sure you are not logged in on the Instagram website. So if you here not see the number of followers or links or posts, so you can say that person have deleted or deactivated his Instagram account. Or if you are able to see the number of followers, following or posts over there, you can say that the person have blocked you. So I hope it helps you to solve the problem. Thanks guys.